Hi guys, I'm Avneet. I'm at the Denman Prospect Community Center. What time is it? It's December. December, school holidays and Christmas. My favorite time of the year. How about we make some things together, adults and kids? We all have made buntings for our birthdays. How about we make some bunting for Christmas? And these things that we require for that, we can find it everywhere. Some pine cones, some twigs, and some paint and a thick string. Let's get started. You find all these things when we go out for a walk. I'm going to paint these cones golden and these tiny ones red. Let's paint these tiny ones red. These don't need to be perfect, just a bit of color for the season. Our pine cones are dry. Let's tie these up. I have this thick string with me. I'm just going to put these together. Let's start with the green. I'm going to make a small knot just to hold it together, and another one. How about a red? Leave a bit of gap. One knot. Another one. There we go.